Hello and welcome. This is our lecture on Tamanya, and basically what happens here is we're going to explain the ins and outs of the saying and how it helps psychologically with people's problems. And what we have is, while we go to the basics, the actual chemical equation of what happens with moan. And what we have is we have basically PV equals NRC over FMB. I'm going to explain what FMB is right now. What we have right here is we have.
Wait a minute, is that not meant to be Timon U?
No, you can see that the pre's actually right.
Timon U.
FMB, right, which is fat motherfucking bitch.
Right, that's
right.
Just for everyone at the back there. It's fat motherfucking bitch. Okay?
Right.
Right.
What it is, fat motherfucking bitch, is when the breast line here over, it's not quite on the stomach line. So we have FMB over NRC.
So what we've got there is a stomach line protruding further than the breast. That's a fat motherfucking bitch, Timon U. And yeah, up the back there. Yeah, Timon U. Yeah, Timon us. Timon both of us. Well, I can under. Hold on, let me just check my other. Yeah, Timon U actually. Yeah, that's Timon U. Can I just get that for a second there? Because that's an interesting point you bring up there. Let me just try and illustrate that to the rest of the class. I hope you're all listening because it's quite. First of all, we do a huge big T here. Yeah, and we go T, we go A, big H, and it's a moan. Okay, so that's Timon, and then obviously we get yeah. Now there's lots of different ways. This can differentiate into a lot of different forms actually. So we'll just go down.
What I'm going to remember is that it's quite controversial.
You get here and just Timon. Okay. We just get Timon. We can also.
Wait a minute, if I just pull this out off you right here, is you've got Timon, but what you've forgotten here is that if you root Timon, it's quite interesting. If you root Timon,
yeah, so
right, if you root Timon, it doesn't equal.
So the root of Timon.
Oh shit.
Right, bear with us. Bear with us here.
You do pretty much get a big. Right? So you get pretty much.
I know you're laughing, I know it's a bit kind of. But the root of Timon in that manner, in that linguistic representation, is actually yeah.
So Te-man, root yad. Okay? I mean, I don't make the rules, but that's how it works in real life.
Right, okay.
So
let's give a behavioural example here. Let's take for instance, maybe Mike's standing here, okay? He's talking, just start reading off that thing and I'll give an actual example of how it would go. Like. Just start reading it.
Oh, alright,
okay.
So experiment number 3, characteristics of a pupil with virulence factors in the Timon U, and look at more anthropometrically of how things work.
So it'd be nice to make Timon, yeah.
But then you have minerals and methods.
Timon, yeah. Timon, yeah. And that's exactly, thanks for the demonstration. That was good. That's how a Timon you would go. Now, let me just try and find one of my lecture notes here on tag on. I don't know wait a minute, right here, it's broken. Now, this is very important actually. This is fairly important, but we'll just get rid of that as well. That's broke leg. It's broken. So to conclude, now there's one other thing I'd like to say here. And this is a pretty strong conclusion that we found. And it kind of goes something like this. And I have to do this quite fast because we're under the time. I don't know if you can see that up the back there. Can everyone see that? I don't know if the camera can see it, but it's broken leg. So. It's fucking broken. I mean, that refers to myself. Obviously, to Mike here, it's broken. That's completely broken.
But a last bit of information that we have is we've already realised that.
That's broken, so
Timon.
T M on like so.
equals U. Right? Okay, so we've got these equals.
We're definitely seeing that. We're seeing that. Now, can you stop talking at the back? This is kind of serious, okay?
Right.
You know, this is going to be in your exam. Yeah, well, you think it's funny now, but it's not so funny. It's not going to be so funny soon. Like, you know, come June, July, you know, you're going to be studying this. You're going to be studying tomorrow. And, you know, we're just going to be standing in the front going, oh, yes, come on, yeah. And then, you know, that'll be so funny then, will it? So.
But
hey, you're listening now, aren't you? Now you're listening.
It's one of the most important things that everyone needs to remember here. That is, as I said, square root timon equals U equals the sum of up above delta B A U S. Now, to a lot of people, that's nothing, but it does equal the bows, the sum of bows.
This is something that's just crucial.
And that is the bows.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now let's just make sure that everyone understands this.
So I'm going to underline that. We're going to put in a box, but
did you say there's other pens? I think this is very important.
That is so that's the box.
Right, let me just, you know, this is very specifically for you up the top there, okay?
Right.
Okay, now that is box, okay? Notice the use of A and U instead of an O and an S, okay? Instead of the, you know, this is boss. Okay, now it's going to be, you know, somewhere around section 3 come the exam time. I think that's just about us done here.
Pretty much. Well, all I want to say to you guys, I hope you've taken something away from this lecture and you've realised that timon U is not just an equation, I think. I mean, it isn't an equation in itself, but just as long as you remember that when things are looking tough, timon U.
And obviously,
And
you have to be the bows.
You have to be the bows of what's happening.
Serious bows.
So what we're going to do right now is we're going to conclude here. And I hope everyone's taking something away from this lecture today, and they're not going to turn around and, you know,